Hey everyone, and welcome to this other video. My name is DreDFX. So I wanted to do this quick video for you guys regarding the one of the trades that I made last week using the Enigma system. So if you're not aware of what is the Enigma system, just make sure to look at the previous video that you have on my YouTube channel, or you could create a free account in the link description below. And you're going to have access to the Trade House sessions that we have every Wednesday at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And you could look at the replay in the back office too, when you're going to have access to the free account. And if you want to do upgrade and you see that it's give you value regarding of what I'm going to show you specifically, you're not going to miss out. Okay, so first, so basically I'm going to show you exactly the trade that was sent out in the Discord group that we have with Elevated FX. So I'm going to show you exactly the group here. So basically it's if you have the discovery package, you're going to have access to the FX setup. So basically it's the Enigma signal setups that are sent out for every pair. And it's on the 1 hour chart. And you just have to see exactly if it aligns with your actual trading style, and you could take your trade or not. That's really your decision on that. But on this particularly example I'm going to give you today is a USDJPY trade that was sent out on the 14th, and the 14th was Tuesday, and today we're the 18th of April 2022. Perfect. So that was the actual setup here that was sent out. And this is how the actual layout you're going to have on every trade that are sent out with the group. And as you can see, we have a lot of trades coming out each and every day. Okay. So I'm just going to go back to this trade here. So I'll show you exactly the actual trade on the actual chart on TradingView. And you're going to see exactly the pricing and everything is really the same layout. Okay, so I'm just going to go on TradingView here. So we're on the 14 here, and I'm just going to do a quick replay for you guys, and you're going to see exactly what happened and how I took this trade within an hour. I was able to make that amount here, depending exactly on the lot size and your risk. You're able to do the same here. Okay, so let's start the replay. Okay, perfect. So as you can see, that was the entry price. So basically, as you all know, the Enigma system will always send you the entry price at the close of the previous candle. Okay, so basically at that time it was unfortunately there's not the time here, but basically the time here, it was 8, okay, in the morning. So at 9, that's a 9-hour candle, okay. So at the close of this candle, the entry came in for buy, okay. So as you could see, in 1 hour, that candle did this. So it went past TP1 and TP2 and almost TP3. So what happened here, I'm just going to show you exactly my the actual trade that I took. Basically, I took 3 trades between that session. And on that, I will have to go on my FTMO account because this is where I took the trade on that account specifically. And update for you guys, if you saw the previous videos that I put on my channel, you see that right now I passed the challenge here. It was passed here, and now I'm in the verification stage of the FTMO challenge. So right now I'm almost halfway to my take profit objective here. Okay, so I'm just going to show you my matrix. Okay, so as you can see, I have everything except the profit target, so I'm almost there. But what I'm going to show you guys specifically is the actual trade that I took on the 14th. And as you could see, those were the trades. So you're going to see here, those are the USDJPY trades. Okay. So this one I lost. Why? If you go back, I wanted to minimize the drawdown based on my entry. And I know that my daily loss target is 500, so I just wanted to minimize that. And what I did here is I took basically another position, still at the same amount of volume here, to partially cover my loss. Okay, as you can see. And that was my original entry. Okay, so this is the first entry that I took. I took that second entry, I closed it, and then I went back just to minimize the loss here that I took here, and then I just rolled this trade until my TP was hit. Okay, so my original TP, if we look at this example here, the actual trade, my TP was around here. Okay, so I noticed based on the momentum of that candle that this is basically a little bit of imbalance here, but it was still a good setup. So I took it and I closed my trade early. But if we continue the replay, so that was 10. So you see here, it would have on that candle, it stopped me out here in profit, but it still continue on an uptrend. Here it hit TP3 here at 7 o'clock. Okay, so that trade was started at the beginning of the day and it closed. Basically, it hit TP3 at 7. So basically, at the end of the day. And as you could see, it still continue on going up. I think there was another entry here, but yeah. But based on the momentum of that price here, guys, I want to take that sell. Okay. But yeah, so basically here, as you could see, in 1 hour, I was able to do that. And that's really with the actual system. And based on my framework, I was able to get in. And basically, I was here in my challenge, and I was, after those trades, I was at that price here. Okay, at that point. And right now, I'm waiting for another setup here that I like. Okay. And as you could see, I only have I took 2 other trades here, only to pass the minimum trading requirement. So I only put a smaller lot size, 0.01, just to let FTMO know that I made a trade. So it's gonna count on my minimum trading days. Okay, so that's why I only have to focus on my profit target to pass the challenge. So that's it, guys. So make sure to get on with Elevated FX and start getting amazing results here on your trading. You're gonna see that it's gonna change your life to the better here overall. Okay. So on that note, I wish you a wonderful day. Bye now.